All right, we can get started now. So welcome to our info session on what is the hackathon and getting ready for UB Hacking 2020. So if you have any questions throughout the presentation, feel free to either ask them or type them in chat. So first, we're going to introduce ourselves. I'm Victoria Faltisco. I'm a senior computer science major. I'm also a graphics lead for UB Hacking.
And I'm Melinda. I'm the publicity co-lead for UB Hacking.
All right, so first, we're going to explain what a hackathon is. So it's best to, this is a quote from the MLH website, which is the Major League Hacking website. We put on our hackathon through them, kind of. So a hackathon is best described as an invention marathon. Anyone who has an interest in technology attends a hackathon to learn, build, and share their creations over the course of a weekend in a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. You don't have to be a programmer, and you certainly don't have to be majoring in computer science. So what I like to say is it's a weekend-long event to create projects, participate in fun events, win prizes, get swag, and network with our sponsors. So that's pretty much it summed up into a sentence.
So what is UB Hacking? So UB Hacking is UB student run hackathon, and it's where within 24 hours students can work individually or in a group to make projects happen. And it's also an opportunity where you can meet new people and also have fun. And this year it's being held virtually on October 24th to 25th, which is this weekend.
All right, so who can register and participate? So students of all experience levels and backgrounds are invited to participate. So as long as you're interested, feel free to register. We love to see people outside of computer science as well. You don't have to have any experience at all. So like we've been saying, it's a fun event. There's no pressure to make a super technical project. You can come for the workshops and the networking and have a good time. So please, even if you're not a computer science major or you have no experience, feel free to register and sign up.
So what can you expect for UB Hacking? There's going to be workshops and tech talks, so you're going to be able to network with our sponsors. And you also will have mentorship with the facility members as well as sponsor representatives. There's also going to be free swag shipped, so you don't want to miss out on that. There's also going to be fun events like Bob Ross painting, Among Us, and other fun events. So check us out.
So a basic rundown of our event is going to be, you're going to be able to check in. That's going to be via Discord. We're going to have our opening ceremonies where we're going to introduce more details about the hackathon, and you're going to be able to meet our sponsors. They're going to introduce themselves. After that, we're going to have group formation. So if you don't have a group already and you want to work on a project with other people, we will be holding a workshop so you can meet these new people. So throughout the event, also, we're going to have a career fair. Our sponsors are going to be available to network with, and they're going to tell you a little bit more about the available opportunities, such as internships that they're holding. And then hacking begins. So you'll have 24 hours to work on your project. Whatever you're interested in, develop a project with your group mates or even by yourself if you like. During hacking, there are going to be workshops, which we mentioned before, on topics like resume building, intro to mobile app development, and a couple others. So also tech talks are put on by our sponsors. They're going to talk about various topics about different opportunities that that are available, and even time for question and answer from them. And then the last thing we're going to have are fun events. As Melinda mentioned before, we're going to have Capture the Flag, paint Bob Ross painting, a Smash tournament, Among Us tournament, and there's also going to be a Valorant tournament. And there are also a few other things that you can see when our schedule is released. After that, you're going to be able to submit your project via dev post. You can submit to win prizes in different categories. We'll go over a little more about those a little later. And then after that, we're going to have our closing ceremonies. You're going to hear a bit from us, a bit from the sponsors, and then we'll announce winners.
So here are some other prizes that we are going to give out. First prize will be $2,000. Second place is $1,500, and third place is $1,000. There's also the best freshman hack and the lead a newbie prize, which is $750. So you don't really need experience, but there will be opportunities for you to win prizes as well. And there's also going to be sponsor challenges, which will more details will be given on the opening ceremony. So stay tuned for that.
Yes, and I do also want to mention that these prizes are not only delivering a product, but being able to pitch your idea. So that's a big part of it too. So even if your project didn't work exactly how you wanted it to, you still have that chance to win these great prizes. So the two platforms we're going to be using in this virtual setting are Twitch and Discord. So Twitch is a streaming platform. We'll be holding a 24-hour stream on there. All our events will be streamed through there. You'll be able to go to twitch.tv/ubhacking to see all of our tech talks, workshops, and other fun events too. Our second platform, Discord, is a communication platform. So we'll be sending announcements and whatnot through there. You will be checking in via Discord as well. And that is also the platform where you can interact with our sponsors. So the way Discord is set up is there's text channels and voice channels. So you can either message different sponsors, other hackers, or staff to get some help. And as well as our mentors will be on there. If you have any questions, you can ping them. Our mentors have a variety of different knowledge experience, so feel free to use that. And then our sponsors will each have their own voice chat, so you can go talk to them. There's the option for voice or video chat as well as screen sharing, so we can interact with each other.
So if you haven't registered already, you can scan this QR code right here and register now. Our registration deadline has been extended to the 24th, but you should still apply as soon as possible to get your confirmation email and get all the details to get ready for this event.
So we get the question a lot, how am I going to get accepted? What do I need to do to get accepted? So these are the three things. The first one's make sure you're eligible. So this is open to all high school students, undergrad students, and grad students. So anybody in the job field that are not eligible, unfortunately. So second, make sure you upload your resume. This is one of the biggest things that we see. Our sponsors love to see everyone's resume. They want to get in touch with you all. So we really want to see that resume that is up to date with all your current education, your current job experiences and projects. Even if you don't have much experience, make sure your education is at least on there. Make sure your name's on there. Check to make sure you don't have spelling errors, that type of thing. But definitely upload your resume. We prefer PDF. Make sure it's able for us to open it as well. So, and then the third thing is tell us why you want to attend. We want to know why you're excited for this event. So we want to hear something meaningful. And then if you follow these 3 tips, you'll definitely get accepted. So also you can go ahead and follow us on our socials. It's UB Hacking on all of them, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as we have a LinkedIn, so you can follow us on there too. We post constant updates and information on there all the time. So does anyone have any questions? Okay, so we have a question about Discord and joining Discord. It does not appear like you joined any group. You will be assigned the hacker role when you go through the authentication process. So if you have any questions, feel free to message anybody on Discord or email us at, I believe it's contact@ubhacking.com if you have problems with that. But you do have to go through the authentication process first. So the Discord link is going to be sent out in confirmation emails. So once you get accepted, we will provide you with that link. No problem. All right, so Melinda and I will hang around for a little longer. If anybody else has any questions that you can think of. We are sending the links to the Discord out today, I believe. So if you still didn't get that, you can shoot us an email. But I believe we're sending those out today.
So one of the question is when exactly does the event start? Our full schedule will be reviewed soon, but our check-ins are going to be starting at 10 a.m. and our opening ceremony is going to be at 11 to 12. But more details about that will be coming out soon in a following email.
Yes, and those times are in Eastern, so EDT. No problem. Yeah, check-in is going to be on Discord. More details will follow. I believe they will be sending another email about the check-in process as well. When you join the Discord too, there's a bunch of information on how our Discord is going to work and different aspects of that as well. So in the dashboard, you disconnect from Discord. I believe so. I believe that means you are connected. Let me see if I can double check that. Yeah, I believe that you are connected with Discord then. we just wanted to give a little overview of the event and answer any questions that people may have. You too.